I'm at the car collection of Ron Hinds, and what appears to be a horse barn behind me actually has a different kind of horse inside. These horses don't eat hay, they take gasoline.
I've been a car guy since I was in the 8th grade. I didn't have any money, I didn't have any cars, but I always loved cars. I loved when the new cars came out, going down to the showroom, looking at the pictures of the Fords or the Chevrolets or the Plymouths. It was just a wonderful time.
Ron's collection consists of Oldsmobiles, Fords, and Chevrolets, and every car in here has a special meaning.
I've got a '54 Ford that's just exactly like the one that I learned to drive in. My mother loved that car. We would go to my grandmother's, and on several occasions, we had 3 kids in the car. We would say, "Mom, how fast will it go? Let's see how fast it will go." Well, 2 different times, 105 miles an hour. 3 kids in the car, bi-sply tires. I mean, can you imagine that?
A good part of Ron's collection has got to be his 442s, and he doesn't just have 2, he actually has 4 of them, and they're all between the years of 1966 and 1967.
If you're going to have a 442, you got to have 4 442s. My first good car was a 442. I was in college. I had wrecked my car. I needed another one. I couldn't afford a 442, but there was one that had been repossessed. The banker said, if you'll pay $50 a month, when you graduate from college, you can pay the rest. So that's how I got into a 442.
Of all his 442s, this is the only one with an engine that's not original. It's got 455 cubic inches with 3 2-barrels on top, so this thing is not afraid to get up and go. I've had a great time here at Ron's car collection, so we'll see you guys later. Are his 442s. He doesn't just have 2, he's got 4 of them because, well, that's the magic number. And also, they're between the